Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product on sale or sale product in WooCommerce grid, carousel or slider layout in home page or any page in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write jet widget for Elementor and WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page now. On left side you see search widget, so write here Woo product grid. Now you see this is our widget Woo product grid. Now drag and drop in any page you want. Now widget is added. On left side you see content style advanced. In content you see journal and then you see product preset, so you can select according to your requirement. So when we hover on it and then you see add to cart style, now set preset to. Again hover on it and then you see add to cart button appear on image, and then you see column 3, so you can set column according to your requirement, and then you see equal column height. If you want you can enable it, and then you see add gap between column, enable between row, enable product number. So we are going to set sale product in carousel or slider layout, so that's why we are going to add 6. If you don't want product carousel, then this is WooCommerce grid layout. Now you see, so we are going to display sale product, and then you see query product by, you see drop down. Now select sale, so only display sale product. Now you see this is our sale product in WooCommerce grid layout, and then you see order by date, price, random, sales. So you can select according to your requirement, and then you see show product title, enable title words count 10. If you want you can add 1, so it's up to you. Now you see 1, now make it 10 again, and then you see show badge sale, so this is our sale badge. And then you see text, if you want you can change text, show product count, category, tags, price, rating. So you can enable or disable this option according to your requirement. And then you see carousel, so click on it, enable. Now we enable carousel. Now you see, so we have 6 product and 3 column. Now you see slider, slide to scroll 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can select according to your requirement, and then you see arrow navigation, angle, double, and then you see arrow icon next. If you want you can enable show dot navigation, pause on our enable, autoplay, autoplay speed 3000 mean 3 seconds, infinite loop enable, animation speed 500. Now scroll up you see style, so click on it. So this is our sale product, so you can add this widget on any home page or any page according to your requirement. And then you see product item, thumbnail, title, button, price. Now click on button, and then you see when we hover on it you see button add to cart, so you can set color scheme, make it black. Now you see, and then you see padding issue, now padding make it 10. Now you see padding is good for add to cart button. You see all option here, so you can set color scheme according to requirement. Now you see price, now you see color, text, decoration, size. Now scroll up you see product item, border type, background color, title. Now change title color. Now you see all option here, so you can do color scheme according to requirement, and then click on update. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So this is our sale product on home page. Now you see add to cart button, we added padding, we change title color, we have total 6 product display, so you can add more product. Also you can increase column for sale product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.